The Audi MMI individualizes comfort. The vehicle identifies you by means of your key and loads the profile you last used. Your seat, steering wheel and exterior mirror settings are selected automatically, and your custom settings are adopted from a wide range of menu items, from your favorite radio station to your preferred temperature. The setup assistant can guide you through the first steps if required. Tailor the Audi MMI interface to your personal requirements. If you wish, move important main menus to the front or onto the direct access bar. Or you can save shortcuts to your favorite song, frequently used phone numbers and navigation addresses, or individual vehicle functions. Edit your saved functions by deleting them altogether or moving them, and personalize your profile entirely to your requirements. The Audi MMI remembers your changes. Up to 32 shortcuts give you quick access to functions that you would like to use regularly. With up to 30 colors available, create your personal atmosphere of well-being inside the vehicle. Change the color combination of the contours and surfaces of your ambient lighting to suit your mood. Share your Audi with family and friends without having to compromise. Even if you use the same key as someone else, you can call up your profile in the Audi virtual cockpit before you start your trip. Up to 6 different profiles can be created and tailored to your requirements. Alternatively, change profiles via the MMI touch response. The settings you have saved will then be loaded, complete with your infotainment content and activated driver assistance systems. Personalization turns the vehicle into your personal companion.